Hi, today I will discuss Tollens test or silver mirror test. Let's see what is the Tollens test. It is basically used to distinguish aldehyde and ketone. Normally we used this test in aldehyde and ketone chapter and differentiate these two by using this test. Aldehyde responds this Tollens test, but ketone does not. Why? Why aldehyde responds but ketone don't? Let's see. Aldehydes are easily oxidized to the carboxylic acids, but ketones are oxidized only in vigorous conditions. That means aldehydes are oxidized by mild oxidizing agent, but ketones need strong oxidizing agent. And here Tollens reagent is mild oxidizing agent, not so strong. So it can oxidize aldehyde but does not oxidize the ketone. From this we can say Tollens test confirms the presence of aldehyde. ठीक है? Now, what is Tollens test and what is the Tollens reagent is? Tollens reagent is ammoniacal silver nitrate, that means ammoniacal AgNO3. How can we prepare this ammoniacal silver nitrate or Tollens reagent, and then how could we prepare the silver mirror? Let's see what we can see in the laboratory. First we have to take a dry test tube and then we have to add 2 ml of silver nitrate, aqueous silver nitrate, and then we add base, 1 drop of base, that is ammonium hydroxide, and then we get a brown precipitation, and to dissolve this brown precipitation we add some aqueous ammonium hydroxide again. Then we get a clear solution. After getting this clear solution, then we add this aldehyde, and at 50 degrees centigrade we see the silver mirror around the test tube. From this we can clearly say that after adding aldehyde we can observe the silver mirror. So this is the actual silver mirror test happening in the laboratory. Now the whole reaction is here, how the aldehyde reacts. The aldehyde, that is, oxidizes to the carboxylate, and the Ag plus, here the Tollens reagent is present, and this Tollens reagent, in this Tollens reagent Ag is +1 state, oxidizing state of the Ag is +1, and it reduces to Ag0, that is a silver metal. So this silver metal is deposited around the test tube, and this is silver mirror. Now, and from this what can we say? Now this is a simple oxidizing reducing reaction, that means a simple redox reaction. Tollens test gives a simple oxidation reduction reaction. Here is an example. We take an aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, and then we put Tollens reagent, then we see the oxidation is happen and silver mirror test is successfully formed. Here is an exception. We all know The ketone does not perform this test, but here is an exception that alpha hydroxyketone after adding Tollens reagent gives diketone. That means it responds to the Tollens test and gives silver mirror. Okay, thank you for listening. Hope this is helpful to you.